SQL, Structured Query Language, is a language to interact with database. It consists of four categories. First is data definition language, also called DDL, data query language, data manipulation language, and data control language. Now, data definition language defines the data, and more precisely, it defines the data structure, how the data looks like, how many rows, how many columns, what are the types of the columns, and so on. Data query language defines how you extract the data from the structure that is already created with the data definition language. Data manipulation language defines how to manipulate the data, and it concerns with values of data as opposed to the structure. And data control language defines how the data is accessed and by whom the data should be accessed. Examples will make it clear. In SQL, create and alter commands are data definition language commands. So by create table, you tell the database how the table looks like. What are the column names, what are the column types, and so on, and what is the name of the table. Select command will select the rows from this table and will give you the rows that you want. Insert command will insert the values in the table. Grant and revoke commands will grant users with specific permission, and revoke command will revoke specific permissions from the user. I did not explain alter and update because it's part of the exercise. Now you want to guess the difference between alter and update command while I will wait for 15 seconds. Okay, I'm going to tell you the answer now. Alter command, it's part of the data definition language, which means it works on the structure of the data. So alter command will change the structure of the tables. For example, adding or deleting columns. While update command will work on the manipulation of the data, which means it will work on the values. It can update values inside a cell, it can update rows, and so on. So alter command will work on the structure of the data, update command will work on the values of the data. We will see the examples of these commands in other sections. Essence of SQL basically is a set of commands to interact with the definition of the data, querying of the data, manipulation of the data, and control of the data.